How's it going? Restoring and balancing karma. That's what I've been thinking about today, and it seems to be a common theme coming up for me recently. And so, karma to me is simply for every action we take throughout our lives, there is a reward and consequence. It's similar to money. We each have a karma balance. And if you've done things to hurt people, wrong people, been dishonest, various things like that, you accrue a debt, a karmic debt. These are the thoughts that have been coming to me recently. And that karmic debt will weigh you down, prevent forward progress until you pay the karmic debt. Hi, Dido. Dido's doing the whole brush up against my tripod thing. Hi, kitty. So what I've been doing the last few days is meditating and feeling cases where I have karmic debt. One of the cases of my karmic debt was there was a gal I was talking to, and it was like the day after my breakup back in March, like the very next day. And I talked to her on video chat for about 45 minutes, and she's someone I'd known before for many months. And then after that conversation, I just never reached out to her again. No explanation or anything. And over the last few days, I didn't feel good about. I realized I don't feel good about how I handled that situation. Like I get and I understand we as humans don't owe anyone an explanation, but that doesn't resonate with me. I believe truth and communication are sorely lacking in this world. That ghosting and tossing people to the side of the road, metaphorically speaking, and treating people like they're disposable seems to be a very common scenario in the world. And I want to do my part to be the change I wish to see. How I would want someone to treat me is for them to be a great communicator and create understanding and clarity. So I reached out to this woman and asked how she was doing, and just said, hey, I just want you to know, I want to share something with you. I just want you to know why I didn't reach out to you again after I talked to you, because I don't like the idea of being incongruent in actions. It was because I had a very, very recent breakup the day before. And I wanted my heart to heal or be in a better place. And so I just very vulnerably shared this with her. This was all over text messaging, and she appreciated that, and we chatted back and forth a little bit, and she is seeing someone right now, which is awesome. Like I said, I'm super happy for you, and just appreciate you for dialoguing back with me and not just dismissing me like many people would have. And told her what was going on in my life, and I'm talking to someone right now, and very excited to see where it goes. She's someone that I started talking to somewhat recently, and we'll see what happens. But I feel good about it. And so I told her that, and she said, "Oh, that's awesome too." And then I texted her namaste. And I feel like some of my karmic debt was released through that. And as I meditate and I think more, I can feel more. They're just small conversations I need to have with people. Just small conversations. So there's another conversation I'm gonna have later this week with someone. Just say, hey, I just wanted to share how I handled this situation wasn't the greatest, and I'm sorry. And here's moving forward, here's how I am, and here's how I will be. And I'm sure there's going to be more that come up, maybe even from long, long, long ago. My desire for humans, for humanity, is for people to be at peace, to be happy, to feel fulfilled and joyful and abundant in their lives. I think one piece of the puzzle to this is to restore karma, to pay off karmic debt, where you will know for yourself the situations where this applies. And some of them may require humbling yourself. I'm progressing in life and growing and learning, and definitely have many imperfections. But I just wanted to share this video with you. Let me pause that. That was a song that was playing. Let me give you the name of the song that was playing there. Om Namo Bhagavate. Om Namo Bhagavate was the song playing there. So restoring karmic debt, balancing your karma. That's just the feeling of resonance I'm having with myself right now. All right, well, I think that's it for this video. Restoring karma. Take some time to meditate on it, and perhaps some situations will arise in your mind of karma that needs to be cleared, or a debt that needs to be repaid. Usually it's just speaking truth and honesty with someone. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And if you are new to the channel, and especially if you made it to this far, to the end of the video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. I'm posting videos every day, philosophical videos, stories of my life journey, things that I believe will help humanity, and every like helps, every subscriber helps. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time.